Hi, this video is about how to create slanted ceiling in AiHouse. First, I'm going to increase the wall height to, let's say, 4005. Then go to Customize Ceiling. Click on the wall facing you, Background Wall Design. Then click on the white region, select Draw Polyline and start to draw a triangle, which is the slanted ceiling on the left side. Then click on the polyline and transform to region. Repeat the same step on the right side. Next, click on the triangle region and input the distance to wall, let's say 3000, depends on the room size. Now we have the ceiling ready. If you like to put door or window on the design wall, make sure you change the distance to wall to 1. Then insert the door. Click on the wall again, then untick the Generate 3D Surface, tick on Hold so that the door will not be covered by the wall design layer. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you.